keeping your lawn neat and tidy is easier with a reliable bagging lawn mower. These mowers efficiently collect grass clippings as you mow, reducing cleanup time and helping maintain a healthier, more polished-looking yard. In this guide, we'll explore the best bagging lawn mowers that combine strong performance, easy handling, and excellent grass collection capabilities. Starting at number 1. PowerSmart 21-inch Gas Lawn Mower BNSE 550. The PowerSmart gas lawn mower offers a reliable and quiet mowing experience thanks to its USA-made Briggs & Stratton E550 140 cubic centimeters engine with an easy prime and pull start. Its durable 21-inch steel deck and sharp mulching blade help you finish your lawn quickly and efficiently. You have the flexibility to choose between mulching, rear discharge, or bagging, with a large 1.4 bushel grass bag that makes cleanup simple. Plus, the mower is designed for your convenience with a foldable frame that allows for easy assembly and compact storage when you're done. What we like: reliable Briggs & Stratton engine, durable 21-inch steel deck, 3-in-1 mulching options, foldable for easy storage. Number 2. PowerSmart 21-inch gas lawn mower with 140 cubic centimeters BNS engine. The PowerSmart gas lawn mower is powered by a dependable 140 cubic centimeters Briggs & Stratton engine, designed for easy starting and quiet operation, so you can get your mowing done without hassle or loud noise. Its sturdy 21-inch steel deck helps you cover more ground quickly, making your yard work faster. You have the flexibility to mulch, bag, or rear discharge clippings, which lets you choose the best way to handle grass waste. Plus, the mower's foldable design means you can assemble it easily and store it compactly, saving you space when not in use. What we like: reliable Briggs & Stratton engine, durable 21-inch steel deck, 3-in-1 grass clipping options, foldable for easy storage. Number 3. PowerSmart 21-inch gas lawn mower with Briggs & Stratton engine. The PowerSmart 21-inch mower offers a powerful 140 cubic centimeters Briggs & Stratton engine that starts easily and runs quietly, making your mowing experience smoother and less noisy. Its sturdy 21-inch steel deck ensures long-lasting durability, so you can count on it season after season. You can choose between mulching or collecting grass clippings in the roomy 1.4 bushel bag, which is simple to empty and saves you time. Plus, adjusting the cutting height is a breeze with the double lever system offering 6 different settings, letting you customize your lawn's look from 1.5 to 3.9 inches tall. This mower is designed to make lawn care easy and efficient. What we like: reliable Briggs & Stratton engine, durable 21-inch steel deck, mulching and bagging options, adjustable cutting heights. Number 4. BILT Hard 21-inch 201 cubic centimeters gas lawn mower. The BILT Hard gas mower offers versatile mowing with its 21-inch steel deck that allows you to mulch, side discharge, or bag clippings, making yard care flexible and efficient. Its 201 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine delivers strong power, so you can expect reliable performance every time you mow. You can easily adjust the cutting height with a single lever that controls all 4 wheels, letting you tailor the grass length from 1.2 to 3.75 inches to suit your lawn's needs. Plus, the mower moves smoothly thanks to large rear wheels and smaller front wheels with ball bearings, while the foam-wrapped handle ensures comfortable handling, reducing fatigue during longer mowing sessions. What we like: 3-in-1 mowing options, powerful 201 cubic centimeters engine, adjustable cutting height, smooth rolling wheels, comfortable foam handle. Number 5. AMERISUN 170 cubic centimeters gas lawn mower. The AMERISUN gas lawn mower is powered by a strong 170 cubic centimeters engine with forced air cooling, ensuring it runs smoothly even when cutting thick or tall grass. You'll appreciate the self-propelled feature, which makes pushing the mower easier and reduces your effort, especially if you're new to lawn care. Its 21-inch steel deck lets you cover more ground quickly, saving you time on medium to large lawns. Plus, with 6 different cutting height options, you can adjust the mower to suit your lawn's needs throughout the year, giving you a neat and healthy yard every time. What we like: powerful 170 cubic centimeters engine, self-propelled drive, durable 21-inch steel deck, 6 adjustable cutting heights,